In this video, I've challenged myself to find a hot product, build an online store, and promote my online store by using Facebook advertisement. I'll be doing all of these 3 steps all in 24 hours and show you all how many sales I've gotten at the end of the 24 hours challenge. Before I get into the video, I want to thank all of you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my last video. I appreciate it so much to all of you, and let's keep it going and let's get into the video. What's poppin', people? It's your boy Gani and welcome back to another video. Today I've set myself a 24-hour challenge. I'll be building an online store and running online advertisements to my online store by using Facebook. For the people who don't know what dropshipping is when you get a product for £5, you build a store around that product that costs £5, you increase the price to £20. Once a customer buys the product that costs £20, you go back to your supplier that was £5 and enter the customer's details, and the supplier will take care of the shipping. So now you're left with £15. Don't think that you will take all the £15 because there's some fees you gotta put into the equation. Enough talking, let's get into the footage of me building the online store.
Hours later.
After 24 hours, the results are finally in. But before I reveal the results, let me show you all a quick tour of my online store and my Facebook Ads Manager. So right now we're on the website's home page called the Futuristic Mug Company, and I sell the product, a self-stirring mug. So we're on the product listed page. I've added buy more, save more. So if a customer buys 2, they can receive 5% off. I've also added some badges here, payment, showing the customer the payment methods they can actually pay with. I've added some badges just to make sure that this isn't a scam or anything, and just to make sure the website actually is legit. And I've added some reviews, as customers are more likely to buy a product if there's reviews on the product, especially good reviews. I've also added a track your order page, as this allows the customer, once they've purchased the product, to enter the tracking number and see the shipping status. I've also added a contact us page, just in case if they did want to ask questions, they can fill in a form and I would receive it and then I would reply back to the customer. My Facebook Ads Manager, so right now you can see 6 different ad sets. They were all running at £10 a day, however I've turned them off. They all got different interest. So what's interest? So as I'm selling a self-stirring mug, a good interest for me to target customers is coffee lovers, for example. So that's what I've used here. I also used gadgets, I've used home shopping, and let me show you all the video ad I've created for this product. So this was the ad that I've used to get customers onto my online store and buy my product. Now I've showed you all my online store, I've showed you all my ads manager. Drum rolls please. We made a whopping 0 sales. It's bad. We actually had so many customers come to our online store. We had in total 489 visitors come to my online store through Facebook, and the conversion rate is 0% as no one bought anything. In total I had 5 add to carts, so that's when the customer clicks add to cart. 0% reached checkout and 0 converted. 24 hours ago I set myself a challenge to get at least 1 online sale, and I got a whopping 0 sales at the end of the challenge.
It is what it is.
In dropshipping, there's many different factors why I didn't get 1 sale. Maybe it wasn't my website, maybe my product page wasn't optimized properly, maybe my target audience for my ads weren't specific, or maybe my offers weren't too compelling to be able to convert a customer to buy the product. This challenge has been a failure, however, you build on failure and use it as a stepping stone. So I am going to learn from my mistakes. I appreciate all of you for staying to the end of this video. If you've liked the video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave down in a comment and I will get back to you as quick as possible. It's been your boy Gani and I'm out.